So we have this brush which you fill up with water. Like so. And then you get it ready for the cat. So now it's loaded. When you push the button, you get steam. Well, a mist. There's a cat, he's already whinging. As you see, he's already here. And he's looking down at the brush. And yes. Switch it on. And there you go. Steamed. Well, messed. So he's getting his fur taken off. Oh yeah, all sides, you know what I mean? And you can see it's pulling off a fair bit of hair. So there you go. Temu, about, I don't know, £4. Catch you later. Bye.